Gurudev, we have 42 kids and teens in Ashram who are participating in the summer program, Colors of Joy 2023. They want to ask you a few questions.
Gurudev,
Huh?
my name is Manan, and I want to ask you a question. Can you be rebirth?
Can you?
Can you be reborn?
Can you be reborn? Yes.
Is there rebirth?
Yes, yes, yes. What do you think? Do you have any experience? No?
No.
Okay, okay. Never mind. Yeah, you can be. Okay, then give the phone to the other person. Yeah.
Jai Gurudev, my name is Milan. I am doing Utkarsha Yoga from Colors of Joy. I want to ask, how can I become successful in my life?
Oh, you are doing the right thing. Utkarsha means, you know what? That makes you successful. Yeah? The best. Okay? Good.
Jai Gurudev,
Huh?
my name is Nimisha. My question to you is, as teenagers we overthink a lot. How can we control overthinking?
Overthink a lot, yeah? Do you do lot of physical activity?
Yeah.
Huh? When you do physical activity, do you think?
No.
No, yeah, like that. Huh? Do more physical activity and rest well.
Okay.
Meditate. Huh? Good.
Thank you, Guruji.
जय गुरुदेव गुरुजी
Uh-huh.
मेरा नाम ऊर्जा है माई क्वेश्चन इज टू यू एज आई एम अ टीनेजर आई कैन नॉट कंट्रोल माई इमोशंस सो हाउ टू कंट्रोल योर इमोशंस इन डिफरेंट सिचुएशंस
Oh, control the emotion. Okay. Do you dance?
यस समटाइम्स
Sometimes. Why don't you dance more when your emotion is all up and down? Yeah? Sing, dance, and meditate. Okay?
थैंक
Good.
यू
Do yoga. That is also very good. Okay?
Hello Guruji,
Uh-huh.
I'm doing Medha Yoga course and my name is Supriti. And my question is, how can we do efficient time management?
Wow. I think you're already doing it, isn't it?
Sometimes.
Sometimes. Never mind. Accept sometime you don't manage the time. Never mind. Yeah? Okay.
Jai Gurudev.
Hmm?
My name is Adhya and I am doing Medha Yoga level 1. So my question is, how to deal with suicidal thoughts and depression in teenage?
You know what? I see many of you are wearing glasses. You know the reason? You have been staring at the screen a lot of time. Too much, yeah? You use phones, cell phone, watching the cell phone. You know, the more you look at the screen, you don't blink your eyes. So when you don't blink your eyes, what is happening? The part of your brain which is responsible for creativity starts shrinking or doesn't function. Then your creativity goes down, and also what happens? Your eyesight is affected. What you must do? You should not watch the screen continuously. You should keep blinking your eyes. See, when you talk to somebody, your natural tendencies, you blink your eyes, right? But when you're watching the screen, you don't blink. So don't watch any screen more than few minutes or half an hour. If you are watching half an hour, then you get back, close your eyes, or do some eye exercise. Blink your eyes. You know, there is a saying in India, there is a saying in English, oh, you are blinking, means when you don't know the answer, what did they say? Oh, you don't know the answer, you are blinking, right? It is a scientific meaning I find there. When you don't know the answer, you blink. That means that part of creative brain starts functioning so that you can get the answer. Right? So all of you are watching screen, either computer, phone, or any other screen, you must start blinking. One last question. This will be last.
Jai Gurudev. My name is Rohan Timms Anthony and I'm a Christian. I'm doing Medha Yoga 1 year, and my question is that your religiously unbiased opinion on the true meaning of life.
Yeah, true meaning of life is, what do you think it is? It is to help everyone, right? It is to be in love, in joy, correct? What is the message of Jesus? Love, correct? Love thy neighbor as thyself. Huh? The kingdom of God is where? Within you. So, love everyone, no prejudice against anyone, any religion or any gender or any age group, right? Good.